Hey, good afternoon. Andy Farmer here, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. I'm on board this 2019 32 dual console Boston whaler. Boat's equipped with twin Mercury outboards. This boat, unlike some of the others on the market, has joystick docking. That's going to also give you skyhook and autopilot tied into that system. You've got a huge Raymarine display here. Gives you your fish finder capability and a huge chart plotter. Mercury vessel view, all your engine info displayed there. Spinning around, you've got an electric companion seat, electric helm seat, push of a button, they're raising up and down. Summer grill option, so refrigerator, or excuse me, summer kitchen. You got a grill, refrigerator, live well. You can also ice it and use it for drinks. Small sink here. Over to port. Got a cabin here, cushions. Kids, young ones, adults can sleep down or pop down here, catch a nap. Does have ventilation throughout, wood flooring below. Continuing up, starboard side. This pops open. You've got a Dometica vacuum flush head system, sink. There's all your push button breakers, whalers known for. Some teak in there, popping up. Got a huge bow area. Got a little bit of standing on the cushions, but all in all, no rips or tears. I've noted some seams that are coming unstitched on that full enclosure, but for the most part, canvas is in nice shape. Pop this open for you. Boat's equipped with a bow boarding ladder, anchor windlass, bow shower, horn, light. Got these compartments that, or excuse me, these hatches that open up for ventilation down in the head or in that console. Got index storage, large compartments there. Coming aft, you've got this seat that flips. It's a flip-flop seat, right? Goes back and forth, and can either have it all set up as a sun lounge or storage below that. Or you got aft seating back here. Index fish boxes on either side, and then all your mechanicals down in this compartment, your batteries, your bilge pumps, all that. Couple rod holders on the transom. There's those Mercury outboards I was telling you about. .350 horsepower Mercs. There's the enclosure, rocket launcher, dive door. Guys, this boat, you can do everything. You can dive one day, you can fish, you can run to the islands, you can hang out with your family at the sandbar. Very nice boat. If you've got any questions about this or any others, please give me a call. My cell at 910-264-4818. Again, Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Cell number 910-264-4818. I appreciate you taking the time to take a look at this boat. As you can see, check out the photos. It does have aft sunshade option. Thanks for taking the time to watch. Talk to you soon.